Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitget crypto trading app on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Bitget to begin your search. Once you find the Bitget crypto trading app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will begin the download and installation of the application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it and this will open up the application. And now once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or log into your existing one to start using the application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bitget crypto trading app on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.